Hey, Earl, can you tell me how you decide if a property is profitable before jumping in?
Absolutely. Before we sign a lease or make an offer, we run the property through our three-point profitability test. Not every deal is a good deal. And if it fails this test, it's not an opportunity, it's a liability. The three-point profit test. Can the rent be covered within 7 to 10 nights? If we can't break even in the first 10 days, the numbers are too tight. 2. Is there a safety margin for expenses? We factor in all costs: cleaning, supplies, maintenance, and reserves. If there's no room after that, we walk. 3. Does it scale cleanly? If we can't automate it with things like smart locks and messaging, or it requires high-touch management, it's not built for growth. If it passes all three, it's scalable. If it fails even one, we move on. Poll question. When you're analyzing a deal, what's your biggest challenge? Finding accurate nightly rates, negotiating with landlords, factoring in all the real expenses, or knowing when to walk away? Final word from Earl. We don't chase properties. We run the numbers and build profitable systems. Want me to walk you through your next deal using this framework? Tap in. If enough of you vote, I'll drop a profitability mini clinic next week based on your biggest pain points. Let's make better moves, not just more of them.